Hey there, what's up? Welcome to the Phil Studio. Today is a great day because I'm going to show you how to replace your all broken headband on your Audio-Technica headphone. Enjoy. Here I'm replacing the headband on this pair of Audio-Technica ATH-M50 headphones. As you can see, the original headband was completely destroyed, cracked, worn out, and beyond repair. The customer specifically requested to keep the original ear cushion, even though they are in rough shape. I think it has something to do with the price of the replacement ear cushion, which is probably something like $30 or $40 on Amazon, which is quite expensive. So I'm only swapping out the headband today, but it's one of the biggest job. The hinges were also destroyed. As you can see, one of them is all wiggled and wobbles, so I'm going straight to removing the air cushion to access the 4 Phillips screws underneath. Once those are out, the ear cabinet should open easily. Now you just need to desolder the 2 wires connected to the headband, red and black. Make sure you take note of where each one is soldered, since reversing them could affect the audio phase. You'll also notice this little metal wire shaped like an M. It's there to relieve stress on the internal wires. It's important to remove it first, and don't forget to reinstall it after you're done soldering. Once you're done soldering, make sure not to burn the internal plastic when reassembling everything, or just when soldering. So if it does happen by mistake, well, chances are nobody will notice, but still best to be careful. Now repeat the same process on the other ear. Removing the hinge from the shell can be tricky, because you'll need to pry it a little bit to get it out, the hole of the from the hole of the in the shell. So I recommend taking out the metal strain relief wire before trying to separate the shell from the hinge. That'll make things a lot easier and help avoid damaging the housing. And you know what? Closing back the shell is as easy as opening it. So that's it. Your ATH-M50s are back in one piece with a brand new headband and a solid hinges. They're ready for many more hours of listening. And if this video helped, feel free to leave a comment or give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more audio gear repair like this one. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Son, how do you push stop on that?